To create this type of motion text in Canva, I'll quickly add a new page here and I'll pull this up and want to go over to our text tab here. I'll click on that and we'll scroll down and you'll come to apps and click on see all. You see this app here that says motion text. If you don't see it, you can quickly just search it from the search apps here. I'm going to open this motion text up and you can just quickly slide down and search the category of motion text you want to use. This is the one I use in creating mine. So I'm just going to quickly open this template up and it opens it up like this and you start adding your text and you can decide to change the font of your text, which I will leave the font as is. You might choose what direction you want your text to be. If you want it to be left aligned like this, you might want to choose that. If you want it centered, you might want to leave it centered. Any way you want your text to be aligned, that's how you leave it. I'll align it to the right. And you might want to come to spacing and choose how your letter spacing will look, how the line spacing is going to look. But I'll leave the settings as is. If you want to change your text color, you can do that from here. You can also choose the outline color of your text. You can choose the outline width and the frames. You can decide to add in more colors to these frames. Say we want to change that color. You see the frame is white and this peach color. Say we want to change this to a different color. Let's change the whole thing and we'll choose to pick this white here. Touch it up with ash and I'm going to click off. You can choose how this text are animating. If you want the slide right, you can do that. I think I kind of like this one. Once you're happy with everything, you click on add to design. At any point you want to still edit this design, you can come here and update it from here. Say I want to update this to be centered. Because of the direction of the animation I use and I make it center, I'm going to quickly update the design again and it updates this design that is here. Let me know if you have any questions. Go have a good one.